Hello and welcome my friend, and today I am planning to show you that how works this your car's gear stick system, and now we are talking this manual cars, that how they work. And here I have take one of this gear stick away, and we can soon see that how this works. Okay, and then we'll look at how these joints and gears works in gear stick. And when I insert this gear 1, it means that there is one part what moves in down in here, and that means that this my gear stick moves one cable or bar what connects this system to car's gearbox. This is important to understand that these joints, there is direct connection to gearbox. If we have manual gear stick, then this always, I believe that there is this direct control and connection to gear stick. And now when we are inserting this gear 1, there happens that when I move this my stick in a little bit in here, we can see that there is gear 1 is in here, that one. It means that I install in here and then in this way. And it means that firstly this part moves, and also there is second this thing. This is really interesting. That look, when I move that in here, this part moves also. And that means that now we are moving two cables. And soon we are going to look at how those cables moves. And I have already also, I have removed my gearbox, and that we can see really easily that how this cables moves. But this means that when I install gear 1, firstly, this part, there is normally cable moves in up, and also in this part, second goes in here, in that way. Very nice engineering. And also note that there is really nice grease, and these joints are really well made, and spring also what keeps this my movement like good control and hard. There is always resistance in this my movement, and that's this gear stick goes in the central position because there is spring, and if the spring is broken, your gear stick is like very loosened. It moves all positions. Okay, good. And then we can go to look those cables. Okay, and then when we really are looking at how this gear stick moves and how it changes these cables, we have to open this console, and there we have those two cables what are really well made. And these parts moves in this direction, and then we can change these gears in this way when these cables they are connected in through this area in here in this way. And now this cable moves nicely. Excellent. And this means that when I change my gears, then this my cables moves nicely in this way, and then we can go to look those cables in engine area also. Okay, and in engine area we have those two cables, and this part moves nicely in that way. And these parts, these end parts, they are connected to gearbox. And that's if we have any issues, we have to check also that our gearbox and gear stick, these connection cables works nicely. And this kind of information to today.